everyone, and a very, very warm welcome. I'm just about to record for you our Improvers Solo Slow Foxtrot practice routine number 8. This was taught in the online class on the 15th of May 23. So if you are looking for the full Jive and Slow Foxtrot class, head on over to the video library on the website and look for the 15th of May in the Solo, Ballroom Latin channels. Let's make a little start. I'm going to go to the left hand side of my screen, or your screen. I'm going to do what looks like the man's spin turn rock step. So I'm going to go here, back, pivot around, and pivot around again. It's like a natural spin action. So I'm going to go slow, quick, quick. Slow, quick, quick. I know we're facing the back of the room, but I'm going to do a back step on my right foot, back, and a chassis to my left. Quick and quick. Let's do that again. So I'm doing slow, quick, quick, slow, quick and quick. I'm going to dance that from this side, so when I turn around in a second I'll be facing the front. Slow, quick, quick, slow, quick and quick. That's like a quick step. But it's not, we're on slow foxtrot. Okay, the next step is going to be a running finish to promenade position, but it looks exactly like the lady's normal spin turn, because until you see it with a partner, and we're not doing it with a partner, you wouldn't see the body position. So I'd actually be outside the partner. So I'll be going right, left, brush in, brush out, but that goes around the partner, as opposed to when I do it as a spin turn, and this right foot will be inside the partner. We're just doing this for fun on our own. Let me add that on from here. It'll take me over here, so I'm going to go slow, quick, quick, slow, quick and quick, slow, quick, quick, and I'm in a promenade position. Okay, so that's running finish promenade position. I'm just going to exit here with a twist turn. Slow, quick and quick, and then heading backwards, settle in, slow, quick, quick. Let's just do that again from this promenade position. Here I am. Right foot's got the weight on it. I just landed toe, heel, and I'm coming down, heel. Quick and quick, slow, quick, quick. Let's put the whole thing together from the beginning. It's 4 figures there. Slow, quick, quick, slow. Quick and quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick and quick, slow, quick, quick. There we go, guys. That was practice routine number 8 for our Improvers Slow Foxtrot from the 15th of May 23. Just a very short summary. If that went too quickly for you, we break it all down in the full class. Head on over to the video library on the website and check it all out. And I will see you again very, very soon. Bye-bye.